Welcome back to Forking Around. You. Welcome back to Forking Around. What am I saying? Welcome back to Forking Around. The hottest item in food right now is the Popeyes chicken sandwich, but you already know that, right? So we're gonna show you how to make them at home. We're gonna do it two ways. The easy way, which is the way everybody should be doing it, and you can send your thank you letters to us once we show you how to do that, and the hard way. But today, we're gonna do the easy way. Hi, can I get 3 tenders? Thank you. Now that's the easy way to do it. Let's taste it. Ooh, Louisiana Fab.
That's not how the song goes.
Wow. That's delicious. Stay tuned. You can do it this way, the more efficient way, or our next video, we're gonna do the homemade version, and it's gonna be probably not fun.
Wait, you didn't tell everyone to smash the like button.
Oh yeah, smash that like button.
Here you go.